Make a great choice today with the 2018 Acadia. The GMC Acadia has great capability coupled with exceptional safety, offering better fuel economy, advanced technology, and thoughtful ergonomics. The Acadia is a premium utility that rejects compromise. This vehicle has less than 115,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: sunroof, roof rails, remote keyless entry, fog lamps, front wheel drive, remote vehicle start, daytime running lamps, cruise control, power outlet, floor mats. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.